I wish I were on yonder hill. If I were, I'd sit and cry my fill, until every tear would turn a mill. Scuide tu a wurnin slán. Shul, shul, shul arún. Shul go socuid agus shul go ciún. Shul go doros agus éilílam. Scuide tu múrnin slán. I will sell my rack, I will sell.
We're weaving a tale of both oppression that workers have experienced through, not being in a union, and then also telling a story of how the union has lifted them up and benefited their lives. So I think there's a way we can be trained as at least decent writers, not anywhere near Tom and Liam, but that we can find ways to tell worker stories too in our own voice.
Critics do not know what to make of their work. That quotation is Liam Ó Flaithearta writing about the kind of writer he admires. Well, he could easily be describing the writing of both himself and his brother.
Agus shul go ciún. Shul go doros agus
Eamon has done great work putting all of these together, editing them, making sure that they're ready.
But in my village, I never knew a man who was a slave of the sea, such as hired sailors are. Those who pass over the sea carrying cargoes for their masters. No. We lived like sea hawks by its edge, without being outcasts from the land. We never made our home on the water.
This has been a particularly pernicious strategy throughout the history of American capitalism, pitting Irish against Italians against blacks.
Donald Trump's mother. Mm-hmm. Now, you were born on an island, and Liam and Tom were born on an island. She was born on an island as well, an island off the coast of Scotland. And she was a Gaelic speaker, a native Gaelic speaker.
Shul go socuid agus shul go ciún. Shul go doros agus éilílam. Scuide tu a wurnin slán. And now my love, he's gone to France.
I was about 9. I terrified her. I rushed into the house from school and told her that I had seen a labourer called MacDonough murder his wife in a potato garden. I described most luridly how he attacked her because she had lost his tobacco, how he struck her with his spade on the head many times, blaspheming joyously at each stroke, how she sank into a furrow where she bled so profusely that the ensuing blows made her gore splash into her murderous husband's face.
Socuid agus shul go ciún. Shul go doros agus éilílam.
How her body was so fat that the murderer had to dance in it and in order to make it fit into the furrow. How he covered it carefully with earth and then thanked God with his head bowed and his eyes to heaven for having rid him of the unholy slut.
Shaka so an anir. Bailje gnúis persu. She hiol must doem chon siachrain. Tronona bag